Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and this is my hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023. Welcome to our challenge. Yeah, or it's just a hashtag, it's just for fun. Um, oh, sir, excuse me. Um, yeah, but it's for fun. We're gonna have fun making things, doesn't even have to be Halloween themed. Make whatever you want. I'm doing a Halloween blanket. Need to get busy on some amigurumis, but I've been making other stuff. I decided since I worked so hard on, because I've got to start working on stuff for next month for the vendor event, that I would stop and finish up some things that needed finishing up that aren't necessarily for sale. And this wasn't started yet, but this yarn's been sitting there just calling my name. I was trying to decide the right. If you remember, Queen's Crafts by Bridget, my dear Bridget, my beautiful friend Bridget, sent me some yarn. I knew it wasn't enough to make hardly anything to get the two little hanks together, but I added another yarn. And to be honest, halfway through this, I really didn't think I had made a good decision in combining the yarns. But I did do kind of stripe effects throughout. Can they see that, babe?
Yes.
And I think it's a tray. I'll put the tutorial down below. Very good tutorial. I want to say it's a tray crochet or... Anyway, it'll be linked along with the channel name down below of where I got. It's a hat, a Tam Hat. So there's lots of room for my hair back here. Now, if I hadn't trimmed it, it wouldn't be big enough. I would have needed to make it bigger. And if I need to, I will make one bigger. But I love it because it fits very tight, which means that it won't stretch out right away. Plenty of room for my hair. It is so comfortable, you guys. This is going to be, because it's made out of wool, this is my camping beanie. So when we go to the forest and it's cold, like especially at night, your girl's gonna sleep with this on, keep my ears warm. Yes, I am. I love it. I wish it wasn't so hot out because I can't wait for colder weather because I want to wear this a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. I love it, y'all. I love it. I am probably gonna make me another one. Doubtful it'll be out of wool this time, but I'm going to make me another one. Like, I am not into beanies because most of them look ridiculous on me because of I have a big head and lots of hair. But y'all, I think this one looks cute on me, and I need to. This pattern is superb. I will be making more, and I'm pretty sure that one of my daughters is gonna want one. So, yeah. Okay, so we watched. Sorry, guys. We watched the 2013 Carrie last night. Still not as good as the original in my heart. Um, I liked it that they modernized it, but of course, the original will always be my favorite. It's just not. You can't. I mean, you can improve it as far as modernizing and stuff, but the movie itself is a very good movie. So therefore, 2013, yes, a good movie. Not as good as the original. Maybe just because I'm used to the original. I don't know. But they did modernize it. I was glad for that because, now bullies can get to you through the internet. So we have advanced. And many adults, even, I mean, granted, they were bullies back then too. The adults were, but yeah, even adults be bullying on cyber stuff. So what do you know about that? What do you think of the movie, babe?
I loved it. I absolutely did. But I'd say that if you have access to it, watch the 78 original. And if you can't watch it, then the remake is just as good. And they didn't like show any nudity or anything, which was surprising to me. But also that made it better because I think aside from the language of violence, anybody can watch the remake. It's like the 2002 movie. That one is for TV, so that one's clean. And I think that they did a good job with that one too. But yeah.
And LJ listened to the audiobook. I have read it before. And he was very impressed on how the TV movie was closest to the book, is what he told me. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was pretty impressed.
Okay, so our movie for today is one I've been waiting for it to come on a streaming that's free, and it is Death Becomes Her. Um, y'all, it's a wonderful movie. I think I like it though because my dad liked it, so it's kind of like a nostalgia thing for me. But my dad really liked this movie, Death Becomes Her, and it's quite funny. I know I'm giving the whole, but anyway, I'm just saying this is not a horror movie. So if you like funny, it's not that I can remember. There's no gore in it. It's just a comedy with some dark undertones, kind of thing. So yeah, if you've been waiting for a movie that's not real gory and not super scary, this is one. Death Becomes Her. So I'm looking forward to watching it tonight with my honey. And yeah, I've been wanting to watch that for old time's sake, you know. And like I said, I did my hat. Now let's see. I'm starting to decrease. So let's find where exactly I put the one on this side. So it's on this side. Okay. So we were right here and I made it. Oops. I was trying to say I made it all the way. No. That I did. I made it that far, decreasing. So I love it. I still love it. I'm gonna love it, love it, love it, love it when it's finished. It's gonna be a nice blanket for him and I both to lay under when it gets cold. So
Yeah.
yes, just big enough that both of us can lay under it, but it's not gonna, take up. It's not gonna be too bulky to take up room. So I'm excited. Like I said, I did want it a little bigger, but yeah, I'm already gonna run out. So I think that's it, guys. I'm sorry I don't have any facts or anything for you. Today was just a Monday. He slept because he worked last night and he works tonight, and I napped a little and I crocheted and let dogs out. The average everyday stuff. I didn't do a whole lot, so nothing exciting there. And I don't think I told you guys. I will tell you guys, those who have followed me and know, my daughter, in case you didn't know, fell off their porch and shattered her ankle, and she's had a couple months of surgery, healing, finally a cast. Then the cast, they checked, every week and then every 2 weeks. So she's finally in a walking boot. Tomorrow she goes to a specialist because there's a spot in there that they don't understand why it's not healing right. And so, yeah, they can't figure that out. And so they tomorrow. So fingers crossed, positive thoughts, prayers, whatever it is you do, for my daughter, for them to tell her not anything super bad tomorrow, because it could be a very bad thing or it could be a simple fix. So fingers crossed, y'all. And I do think that's all. I'm sorry, the dog's barking. Right on cue. I will be back tomorrow with another one of these and show you the progress I've made on my blanket. And who knows, I might have crocheted something else up if I can't sleep tonight. So there you go. I love y'all. Stay spooky. I will link everyone down below that is participating. And I think that's all for tonight. Good night, y'all. Mwah.